Hello, this is a question related to differential equation of class 12 standard. It has been asked in two times CBSE exam 2008 and 2012. We have to solve the given differential equation dy over dx plus y sec x is equal to 10x, where value of x is less than or equal to 0 and pi by 2 is less than x. So given differential equation is dy over dx plus y sec x is equal to 10x. This type of differential equation is called linear differential equation. It is we will compare it with the standard form. Standard form is dy over dx plus py is equal to q. On comparing these two equations, we get p is equal to sec x and q is equal to 10x. To solve this type of differential equation, we multiply it. We obtain if, and if is given as if is called integrating factor, and it is given as if is equal to e integration p dx, e to the power integration p dx. So it will be e to the power integration sec x dx. Now we know that integration of sec x dx is equal to log sec x plus 10x plus c, we know. So integrating factor will be e to the power log sec x plus 10x. So it will be equal to sec x plus 10x, because we know that e to the power log m is equal to m. We should know these two formulae which are used here. Now to solve this type of differential equation, be multiplying both sides by integrating factor. So integrating factor we have calculated at sec x plus 10x, then multiplying the whole equation by sec x plus 10x, both sides we will get sec x plus 10x into dy over dx plus plus by sec x into sec x plus 10x is equal to 10x into sec x plus 10x. Now we see that left side and now integrating whole sides, all sides, now integrating both sides, we get integration of, now integrating both sides with respect to x, we get by into sec x plus 10x, because on differentiating this we will get first function first function by into differential of second, first function into differential of second, this will come sec x 10x plus sec square x. First function into differential of second, we will get this, and first function into differential of second plus second function plus second function into differential of first. So we will get this is equal to integration of 10x into sec x plus 10x plus c. So it will be equal to y into sec x plus 10x is equal to integration of sec x 10x plus 10 square x plus c. So it will be by into sec x plus 10x is equal to sec x 10x. We know that 10 square x sec square x is equal to 1 plus 10 square x. So 10 square x will be sec square x minus 1. So it will be plus sec square x minus 1 plus c. We have replaced tan square x by sec square x minus 1. So it will be by into sec x plus tan x is equal to integration of sec x tan x dx plus integration of sec square x dx minus 1 dx plus c. So we know that integration of sec x tan x dx is equal to sec x plus c, and integration of sec square x dx is equal to tan x plus c, and integration of 1 dx is equal to x. To by into sec x plus tan x will be sec x plus tan x minus x plus c, which is the required solution. So solution of this type of equation is given by into, clearly by into if is equal to integration q by into if is equal to q into by into if. Solution of this type of differential equation is given as by into by into if. We has calculated as sec x plus tan x. So the solution of this type of differential equation is by into if is equal to integration of q into if, integration of q into if, integration of q into if dx plus c. Thank you.